So today I'll be showing you how we are going to connect an Android phone to our Blackfit. First, you want to go to your notification panel, turn on Bluetooth and location as well, which mine is already on. Then come to your Play Store, download the Fit app. So I have mine downloaded already, so we shall just open it. And meanwhile, we can switch on our watch by long pressing the power button. So in the app, you're going to agree to the terms and conditions, give it permission to use your location. You can allow it to use while using the app or only this time. Any option would be better. I prefer while using the app. Allow. Then go to your watch's settings and check for go to the settings, system, about the watch, the version, and it will reflect in your app. So my version is the Blackfit 2 29. Click the app, click the watch, the version, next, and you can adjust any information according to what you prefer, like put your gender, your birthday, your height, your weight, and step length if you know it accurately. Then when you're done, it will be connected. So you can as well change the faces of your watch from the phone. Come to the watch faces down here and choose any of your choice. There are several choices that you can choose from, and you can pick any. If you would want to use a picture from your phone as the watch face, you can as well press edit. Choose from album, allow. Choose any picture that you would want, rescale it and choose. Within a minute, save it and it will be loaded on your watch. Give it 1 to 15 seconds and voila, you will have a picture of your choice on your watch screen. And if you want to do any sports activity, you can press the sports button just slightly before the power button, choose the activity you're going to participate in and start your day. So that's how easy you can connect your Android to your Blackfit. You can receive notifications, pick up calls, and do whatever you want with your Blackfit.